reflection of the past, and it is a weapon for the future. It encourages us to envision the future, instilling a sense of responsibility to strive for greater heights. Diamond Jubilee, Superannuation and Silver Jubilee celebration is a remarkable milestone for every teacher. It is a platform to strengthen the bonds that bring togetherness. It is an important aspect of life, speculating at the wonders of life, acknowledging the dedication, commitment, relentless efforts of teachers that culminated these many years of successful journey of life. It is a time to remember, rejoice and rejuvenate. On this auspicious day, the atmosphere around us is in the mood of jubilation and exaltation.
When you pray, God listens. And when you listen, God speaks. When you believe, God works. To embrace God's presence on this jubilation, I invite the school choir to lead us into prayer.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. It speaks an air of spirituality and fragrance of joy to our hearts. May I now invite dazzling dancers of SARS to perform the welcome dance.
चमकाए धरती पे तारे, अब की मौसम हमको भी महकाए प्यारे। जैसी बहार चमकाए धरती पे तारे, अब की मौसम हमको भी महकाए प्यारे। कुछ ना कही बस हवा के संगीत सुनते रहे, करेंगे महसूस इसमें विधाता की बढ़ते कदम। दीप तलना हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए रे। दीप तलना दिरना दाना, दीप तलना दिरना दाना, दीप तलना दिरना दाना सरे ग सा। हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, पल ये खुशी के मिलके मनाए। स्वागतम हो स्वागतम, प्रीत से प्रभु की खुद को सजाएंगे। हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए रे। अंबर पे बन जाते बादल, जब वो बरसते सागर का फिर भरता दामन। ऐसा ही रिश्ता अनोखा हमारा प्रभु से बना, चलो मनाएंगे इस प्यार के चंद लम्हों को हम। दीप तलना हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए रे। दीप तलना गिरना दाना, दीप तलना गिरना दाना, दीप तलना गिरना दाना सारे गा। हर्ष मनाए नाचे गाए, पल ये खुशी की मिलके मनाए। स्वागतम हो स्वागतम, दीप तलना गिरना दाना, दीप तलना गिरना दाना, दीप तलना गिरना दाना सारे गा।
It's time to welcome the gathering. May I now request Miss Catherine to welcome the gathering.
Obey faithfully everything that I have commanded you, and all will go well for you and your descendants forever, because you will be doing what is right and what pleases the Lord your God. This is a quotation from the Holy Bible. At the outset, I deem it a great pleasure to extend my hearty greetings and congratulations to the distinguished guests, Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, the Diamond Jubilarian, Mr. Lud Reddy and Mrs. Sundari, the superannuated staff and self-disciplined Silver Jubilarian, Mrs. Shahida Padvi, Reverend Brother Thomas Reddy, Reverend Brother Vincent Reddy, Reverend Brother Anil Kumar Reddy, our principal, Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy, Reverend Brother Chaco, Reverend Brother Balaina, dear family members of the facilitators, dear staff and non-teaching staff, and my dearest students, a very good morning to you all. Actually, I wanted to tell a nice joke for you, but there is no time. Really, we see the professional lives rising to a stage which we witness now among our staff members. Before going to the staff, I'd like to say a few words about our dear brother P.T. Joseph, a gentleman who never asked anything in return in his precious life. He welcomed everyone with warm heart and guides them with good intention. Life that doesn't frighten him at all. The emotions, suffering, the enjoyment are a part of his journey. He speaks the truth quietly and clearly. None other than our dear brother P.T. Joseph. The Alphonsus family is blessed at your presence. We wholeheartedly welcome you, brother. What a glorious spirit of life they spend here as teachers. Mr. Lud Reddy and Mrs. Sundari, watching our school grow from scientific age to technological age of present status. When we look into the past, we clearly see the hand of God guiding, nurturing all these facilitators. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan rightly said, unless we have dedicated and committed teachers take teaching as a mission in their lives, a good education system cannot be developed. Yes, these three are the good examples for the above quotation. A smiling face, a graceful personality, a dedicated life punctuated by high moral values. He is a master of his power and attitude, truthful in thought and fearless in action. Hearty congratulations and wholehearted welcome to you, dear sir, Mr. Lud Reddy. She has a great respect towards the culture of other groups. She is as regular as clockwork, with high percentage of human values, courage to face any challenges, a source of inspiration to many. For her, difficulties are blessings, opportunities, difficulties are vitalizers. On behalf of the Alphonsus family, I welcome Mrs. Sundari ma'am for your valuable service in this great institution. I want to quote one thing. This ma'am and Mrs. Parveen, they did a remarkable service to the primary children. Thank you, teachers. Life is full of deeds studded with achievements. Mrs. Parveen has given the best 25 years service of her life to this institution. Her clear thinking power stood her in good stand in making her a noble teacher, a humorist, a very good kickboxer, a reservoir of power in physics, sincere and responsible and respectable. A wholehearted appreciation for the fruitful and dedicated 25 silver years of service that is rendered by our dear teacher Parveen. Hearty welcome to you, dear ma'am. I finally welcome all the family members of these jubilarians and superannuated teachers, well-wishers of the superannuated jubilarian staff and dear students. I wish and pray God Almighty to bless Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, Mr. Ludhredi, Mrs. Sundari, Mrs. Parveen, their family members, relatives, near and dear ones, abundantly with good health, wisdom and prosperity in their endeavors. So, hearty welcome to you all the children. Enjoy the day, enjoy the celebration. My wholehearted welcome to the previous principals, Brother Thomas Reddy, Brother Vincent Reddy, Brother Anil Kumar Reddy. Thank you very much. God bless us all. A very warm and enjoyable time here. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Recall the past with gratitude. Rejoice completion of fruitful mission. Renew for the betterment of the mission. The sweetness of the cake is associated with bringing happiness and joy. It signifies the unity and togetherness. Recalling, rejoicing the event, now I invite the celebrants of the day and brothers to come forward and slice the cake. I request the school choir to sing the Jubilee song. The Diamond Jubilee of our dear brother, Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, a celebration of 6 decades of excellence and accomplishments. It is an honor to extend our heartfelt felicitation to our dear brother, Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, the Diamond Jubilarian. May I now request our brother to occupy the felicitation chair.
Serve wholeheartedly, as if you were serving the Lord, not people. Respected Diamond Jubilarian, Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, esteemed superannuated teachers, dear Silver Jubilarian, Reverend brothers, teachers, family members of Jubilarians and dear students. 60 years is not just a number. It's a testament to the power of commitment and the beauty of growth. Reverend Brother Joseph is a remarkable man who has dedicated his life in serving others. Born on September 20th, 1946, grew up in a devoted Catholic family and felt the call to religious life from a young age. Embracing the call to the religious life, Brother entered the novice training. He spent several years studying philosophy, theology, and education, and was eventually professed as a brother. Brother's teaching ministry spanned over decades, during which he taught generations of students at various schools. He was known for his patience, kindness, and dedication to his students, and was beloved by all who knew him. In addition to his teaching ministry, Brother also held various leadership roles within his congregation. He served as a local superior, school principal, pre-novice master, and as a bursar. When asked about his secret to a long and fulfilling life, Brother smiled and said, "It's all about love and service. When you dedicate your life to serving others, you find true joy and fulfillment." He added, "Never underestimate the power of kindness, compassion, and forgiveness." Brothers, life is a testament to the power of dedication, service, and love. His Diamond Jubilee celebration was a fitting tribute to his remarkable life and legacy, and is an inspiration to all who know him. Brother, may you continue to be blessed with good health, happiness, and fulfillment. May your legacy continue to inspire us, and may your heart remain filled with joy and love. God bless you, brother.
I now request our brothers, Reverend Brother Vincent Reddy and Reverend Brother Anil Kumar Reddy, to honor brother with the shawl and a bouquet. I request our principal brother also to come forward. I request Mr. Luke Reddy to honor brother with the upright.
Sincerely thank Brother Ravi Mahadri, Principal and Correspondent and a superior of our community here, who have taken the initiative to celebrate my Diamond Jubilee. This is one of the many celebrations I had throughout the year, and it's part of me, and I thank the community of St. Alphonsus, Mount Fosford, and also all the teachers and you, my dear students. It is because of you, teachers and students, that we get our meaning in life. It is because of you that I have come to this position. I could do a lot of things, not here, but I worked here in 72, 1 year. As I told you, 1 year I worked here. just 1 year, 1971-72. Afterwards, I just came here 2 years ago just to help the school. So, otherwise I was working in various other institutions. So, I take this opportunity to thank you all for the nice celebration, the flowers and the presents, all the gifts. Thank you sincerely. God bless you. I'm not thinking of giving a long speech. I could have spoken a lot about my experience, but you will have plenty to hear from our teachers. Therefore, I take leave. Dear children, live well, study well, achieve your dreams. All the best and God's blessing.
Thank you, brother, in a person's life, making the end of one chapter at the beginning of a new phase of life. Dear sir, your passion for education has ignited countless flames of inspiration, sending ripples of knowledge through generations. The impact you made reached far beyond the classroom forever, altering lives and creating a better tomorrow. On this bittersweet day, we would like to express our gratitude and appreciation for everything you have done over the years. May I request Mr. Ludu Reddy to occupy the felicitation chair.
Distinguished celebrities of the day, Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, Mr. Ludu Reddy, Mrs. Sundaramma, Mrs. Parveen, and all the brothers, former teachers, and dear colleagues, and my dear students. We gather here today to celebrate and extend our heartfelt greetings and congratulations to our dear Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, the Diamond Jubilarian. I request Mrs. Vijaya, the better half of Mr. Ludu Reddy, to come onto the dais. Superannuation celebrants Mr. Ludu Reddy and Mrs. Sundaramma and Mrs. Parveen, Silver Jubilarian. Dear brother and teachers, your dedication to teaching profession has not only shaped countless young minds but also inspired us all. Your passion for learning is contagious, your guidance is unwavering, and your determination is boundless. God created man. Man can make wonders if he is committed to the cause of his life, to the humanity. A smiling face, a graceful personality, a dedicated life punctuated with moral values, an intellectual life rich beyond measure, a genuine interest in his pupil coupled with the zeal to keep the St. Alphonsus flag flutter high. This amalgam is indeed our beloved teacher, Mr. Ludu Reddy sir. Time has come for Mr. Ludu Reddy sir to say goodbye to tension and hello to pension. That is retirement. Your sir's wife and grandchildren. Sir was born in a Catholic religious family on June 5th, 1964 at Gudur village in Janagaon district to late Singareddy, Shaureddy and Nakshatramma, a pious and gentle parents. Sir had 6 brothers and 2 sisters. Among the brothers, the elder brother, Reverend Brother Thomas Reddy, is our Montfort brother, and his sister, Reverend Sister Regina, is the sister from St. Anne congregation. Both are dedicated their lives in the service of the God. And Sir married Mrs. Vijaya, and they had two daughters, Sushma Mary and Reshma Mary. Coming to Sir's education, Sir received his primary education in his native village and secondary education 5th to 10th class at VVHS Matampalli and intermediate and degree from AV College, Hyderabad. Sir took B.Ed from Andhra Lutheran College, Guntur. Sir started his professional career as a teacher, biological and English teacher on 12th June 1987 during the period of Reverend Brother N.C. Matthew, the principal of that time. Our dear Luther Reddy sir is a genuine person who worked due to inner sense of duty, not to court applause or appreciation. He has been always truthful in his thought and fearless in his action. He has been always ready to reach out to others, to lend a helping hand, be it to a student or a colleague or anyone for that matter. As a teacher, he has the passion for teaching. In helping students, especially in the literary activities, his dedication and relentlessness work is highly praiseworthy. With a deep sense of commitment, he performs a myriad task perfectly. Above all, he is a man of prayer who is a true devotee to Mother Mary. Mr. Luther Reddy, as a teacher, colleague and a friend, he left his exemplary qualities for us to imbibe. When we look into the past 38 years of service he rendered in this prestigious school, we clearly see the hand of God guiding and nurturing him. Today, we have every reason to celebrate, sing, pray and thank God for the wonderful gift of Mr. Luther Reddy. Finally, I wish and pray the Almighty God to bless Mr. Luther Reddy and his family abundantly with good health, wisdom and prosperity in their endeavors. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy, I was asked to speak only less than 5 minutes. I'll finish fast. 2 minutes only, brother say. Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy, the principal, Reverend Brother Chaco, Reverend Brother P.T. Joseph, Reverend Brother Balayana, the principal of Mount Fort School, Brother Anil and Brother Vincent Reddy, Brother Thomas Reddy, former principals of our school, my colleagues, my family members and family members of Mrs. Sundari and Mrs. Parveen. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today marks a momentous occasion as I stand before you reflecting on my incredible journey that began on June 12, 1987 as a teacher in St. Alphonsus High School. After 38 years of wonderful years of service, the time has come for me to step into a new chapter of life as I retire on June 30th, 2025. So as I look back, I cannot help but be filled with the immense gratitude and a deep sense of fulfillment. First and foremost, I would like to thank Almighty God for His abundant blessings and guidance throughout my life and my career. It is only with His grace that I have been able to serve in this noble profession for such a long time. A tree is known by its fruits. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to my parents, Reddy and Nakshatrama, my brothers, Brother Thomas Reddy, Mareddy, Rap Reddy, Johannes Reddy, Alexander Reddy, and my two sisters, Sister Regina and Rosie. Their unwavering love and support have been my foundation, enabling me to dedicate myself fully to my work as a teacher. I am also grateful to Reverend Brother Berkman, Reverend Brother Jose Marquis, Reverend Brother N.F. Joseph, my warden in the hostel, who nurtured my life when I was in the school. Action speaks louder than the words. It is in my time here I have been fortunate to work under a leadership of several remarkable principals, each of whom has played a vital role in shaping my journey at St. Alphonsus High School. I am deeply grateful to Reverend Brother M.C. Matthew, the principal who appointed me. I also extend my thanks to subsequent principals, Reverend Brother Pratap Reddy, Reverend Brother Chaco, Reverend Brother Vincent Mendoza, Reverend Brother Vincent Reddy, Reverend Brother Arun Prakash, and Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy. Their constant support and guidance and encouragement has been invaluable in helping me discharge my duties as a teacher. I would be remiss if I did not express my gratitude to my beloved family, that's my wife Vijaya and our two daughters Sushma and Rishma, and son-in-laws Bharat and Vijay. Their love, patience and understanding have been my strength, and they have always been my side, supporting me in every way. To my colleagues, both those who have retired and those who have continued to serve, I extend my deepest thanks. Your community and collaboration and shared commitment to our students have made this school feel like a second home. It has truly been an honor to work with such a dedicated individuals here. As I look ahead to retirement, I carry with me the cherished memories of the countless students I have had the privilege to teach, the friendships I have formed with the colleagues, and the wisdom imparted by my mentors. I will always be proud of contributions I made to this institution, and I will forever treasure the bonds I have forged here at St. Alphonsus High School. I conclude with a quote. I slept and dreamt that life was a joy. I woke and saw the life was service. I acted and behold, service was joy. Thank you all for making this journey so remarkable. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you.
May I now invite Mrs. Sundari to occupy the felicitation chair.
Reverend brothers and days, esteemed celebrants of the day, beloved relatives, well-wishers, friends, respected colleagues, and my dear students. A very warm good morning to one and all. Today I stand before you with immense joy and deep honor as we gather to celebrate and express our heartfelt gratitude to a remarkable educator, mentor, and guide, our beloved teacher, Mrs. Sundaramma, on this auspicious occasion of her superannuation. Teacher was born on April 4, 1967 in Brownpalli, Rangareddy district. Mrs. Sundaramma is the third daughter of the late Sri Tuma Mareddy Garu and Srimati Tuma Saramma Garu. She completed her early education at St. Daidan Primary School, Brownpalli, and St. Joseph School, Warangal. She then completed her intermediate studies at Andhra College, Warangal, followed by her degree from Usmania University, Hyderabad, and later obtained her BA from Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu. In the year 1990, she entered a new phase of life when she married Mr. Allam Celestine Reddy Garu. They are blessed with two wonderful children, Allam Bharat Reddy and Manasa Reddy. Bharat Reddy, now a software engineer, is married to Nikita and they have been blessed with a baby boy, Sudhamshu Reddy. Their daughter Manasa Reddy is married to Pranith Reddy and both are excelling in their respective fields in Canada as software engineer and PSC nurse. Notably, Bharat and Manasa are proud alumni of our school. Mrs. Sundaramma's teaching career began at Mother's Public School, Hyderabad, where she served for 2 years. So then, she continued her journey at St. Jude's School, Vikarabad for 2 more years. However, as if by divine plan, she was led to St. Alphonsus High School, Nalgonda, where she truly made an indelible mark in the field of education. Her dedication, patience, and commitment to shaping young minds have earned her a love and respect of principals, students, colleagues, and parents alike. Her teaching is not just about academics, it is about nurturing values, inspiring dreams, and molding responsible citizens. Just as the folding sky, counting the stars, measuring the depth of the ocean, or finding the end of the earth are impossible tasks, so too is the challenge of fully capturing Sundari teacher's 35 years of dedicated service to this institution. Her impact, like the vastness of the universe, is immeasurable and beyond words. And despite this impossibility, I will try to highlight the exceptional qualities through insightful examples that reflect her remarkable personality. Heartfelt congratulations on your retirement, teacher. May this next phase of your life be filled with God's blessings, happiness, peace and joy. Enjoy your cherished time with Sudhamshu Reddy as he has now become your greatest priority and joy. To conclude, I share a quote that perfectly embodies your spirit. A good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way for others. A heartfelt salute to a remarkable mentor for her unflinching dedication and selfless service. Thank you.
Shahida Parveen to occupy the presentation chair.
A warm and graceful morning to respected principal, reverend brothers on the stage, celebrities of today's event, esteemed colleagues, dear students, and all the family members present here. Today is a truly special day as we gather to celebrate a remarkable milestone in the life of a teacher who has not only been a source of knowledge but also an inspiration to all of us. When I come to the biography of our beloved teacher, to a pious couple, I request the students to settle down. Students, you are requested to settle down. Don't move from your places. To a pious couple, Mr. late Khaja Rahmatullah Khan and Mrs. Khadir Sultana, an angel was blessed on August 7, 1975 as a second child, and they named her as Shahida Parveen. Shahida means one who is considered beautiful and Parveen means smart. In short, she is the combo of beauty with brain, which is a rare combination. Teacher siblings are an elder brother, a younger brother, and a younger sister. From an early age, she exhibited a deep love for learning. She pursued her early education at AMS School, Hyderabad, intermediate from AB College, Hyderabad, and later attended Pragati Degree College to complete her Bachelor of Science, where she was a college topper in chemistry. She did her post-graduation from Ismailia University, Master of English and Bachelor of Education with distinction from Al-Madina College of Education. In 1998, July 9, teacher started her second innings of her life by changing her name from Miss Shahida Parveen to Mrs. Shahida Parveen Ghaffar. Hawa Hawaii of Khan's family became Zohra Jabir of Sadat's family. Mr. Syed Abdul Ghaffar, teacher's better half, the senior most teacher of Little Flower Vijnana Mandir, Nalgonda. After the marriage, the Shahar Ki Ladki of Hyderabad became the Desi girl of Nalgonda. The couple is blessed with 3 kids. The elder one, Syed Abdul Rafi, an architect, recently got married to Firdaus Fatima, who is also an architect. Next, the twins, Syed Abdul Sameh, pursuing last sem of architecture, and Syed Abdul Nafi completed BTech and very soon flying to Gulf. In addition to classroom teaching, teacher took on many extracurricular roles such as a counselor, a literary coordinator, enriching the school community. The things which I inspired by teacher is the way she balances her personal and professional life. She got married in a family where 9 boys and 1 girl. Lots of responsibilities as an elder daughter-in-law. In spite of that, continuously 4 years, she received 100% attendance award. That shows her sincere efforts towards her responsibilities. On behalf of entire school community, staff and students, I would like to express our deepest gratitude. We are truly fortunate to have you with us for these 25 years. Dear teacher, congratulations on your silver jubilee. We are very fortunate you to have as member of St. Alphonsus family. Thank you once again.
Morford School, Gazipet, Reverend Brother Arun Prakash, Principal of Little Cross Junior College, Hyderabad, Reverend Brother Anil Reddy, Principal Morford Centenary School, Kuppam, Reverend Brothers, teachers, and my dear students, relatives of the celebrants, a very good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? Wonderful spirit. Though you are tired, you said fine. That's a good sign. So today we have a special celebration of superannuation and also Jubilee celebration. We have a brother P.T. Joseph who is celebrating Diamond Jubilee with us, and Mrs. Pervin celebrating Silver Jubilee with us. So this is a saga, a journey of in the field of education. We have Mr. Lepreddy sir in the field of education for 38 years serving in this institution, and Mrs. Sundari teacher serving in this institution more than 30 years. I congratulate each one of them for rendering their services in this institution. Special thanks to the brothers who have come from far away to witness and encourage and be with us on this special occasion. And today is another occasion the children are receiving awards. So I congratulate each one of them for their meritorious work all through this year. And one more, another important aspect is superannuation is not a simple one. It's a special occasion. They are rendering the service and being with us all through this year as well as in the coming years also. So I wish Mr. Lodreddy sir all the best, Sundari teacher all the best for the future years to be with us and guide us. Your expertise is very much needed, and we request you to be with us even after the retirement also. That is your wish to continue or not continue, that is your wish, but we expect you to be with us. And Mrs. Pervin completed 25 years and her dedication and commitment is excellent. And all of them are excellent teachers and good counselors and real backbone to the management. I congratulate each one of you, and on this special occasion, I thank each one of you, especially the teachers who have taken a lot of trouble and the children who have performed. I wish you all the best. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, brother, for your kind words of appreciation.
సరదాగా నీళ్ళకొచ్చినదంట ఊహకందని అందాలెన్నో వెంట తెచ్చినంట ఆ ఇంద్రధనుసునే తీసి చీరల్ని చుట్టినదంట ఈ లోకమంతా మరి తన మెరుపులతో వెలుగు నింపినంట తన మాటల్లోన ముత్యాలేనంట తన చూపుల్లోన ఉందో చలిమంట ఓ కలల రాణిగా వెలుగుతున్న ఆ బొమ్మ ఎవరు తెలుసా ఆ చందమామ నేనే నడిచే బాపు బొమ్మ నేనే ఆ చందమామ నేనే నడిచే బాపు బొమ్మ నేనే
ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది ఏమో నువ్వంటే గోదారి గట్టు మీద రామసలకావే ఓ కోరింటా కెట్టుకున్న సందా మామావే గోదారి గట్టు మీద రామసలకావే కోరింటా కెట్టుకున్న సందా మామావే
గోదారి గట్టు మీద రామసలకనే గీ పెట్టి గింజుకున్న నీకు దొరకనే
ಮಲರ್ ಮಣಿ ಚೆಂಡುಗಳೋ ನಿನ್ಮಣಿ ಚುಂಡುಗಳೋ
లెక్కలు తేలుస్తాడు. జనమే నేను, నేనే జనమంటాడు. ఊపిరి మొత్తం ఉద్యమ రంగంలా దౌర్జన్యాన్ని నిర్జించేలా గర్జిస్తున్నాడు. He's a legend, 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 he's a legend.
తననా 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 మన్నించయ్యా తప్పు మన్నించయ్యా మంచోళ్ళకే అన్ని కష్టాలయ్యా వెళ్ళిరయ్యా సెలవని అంటాంది కంట తడి ఉండలేక నీ అంబడే వస్తాంది గుండె సడి గురుదేవుడికా ఇంతటి శోకం మహారాజయ్యా 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 మరాతలు నీ చేతితో మార్చావయ్యా ఎట్టాగయ్యా 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 ఏ దారిగా ఈ శూన్యము దాటాలయ్యా మొగనన్నది కబడి గంట నువ్వు లేనిదే సగనన్నదే పాఠం నీ జాడలేనిదే నువ్వు రాని తరగతి గదికి ఊపిరాడదే నువ్వు గాని వెలుగేదైనా నాలేనిదే నీతో వలస వెళ్ళిపోయింది చదువుల వెలుగు చిమ్మ చీకటి చెర ముసిరింది అక్షరాలకు నిప్పులాంటి నీ విలువే మాసిపోదుగా నీడలెన్ని ఉన్నావి నిజము కావుగా నువ్వు లేక చిన్నబోయే చిన్నారి చిరునవ్వులు అండలేని అనాథలే రాబోయే మా రోజులు ఆవిరవుతున్న ఆశలకు దిక్కెవరో మహారాజయ్యా 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 నువ్వులేని మాలోటెవ్వరు తీర్చరయ్యా ఎట్టాగయ్యా 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 ఈ మీదట ఏ ధైర్యమై సాగాలయ్యా
अभिनेत्री अभिनय नेत्री नट गायत्री మనసారా నిన్ను కీర్తించి పులకించినది ఈ జనధాత్రి నిండుగా ఉందిలే దుర్గ దీవెనం ఉందిలే జన్మకో దైవ కారణం నువ్వుగా వెలిగే ప్రతిభాగుణం ఆ నటరాజుకు స్త్రీ రూపం కళకే అంకితం నీ కణకణం పేరుతో పాటుగా అమ్మనే పదం నీకే దొరికిన సౌభాగ్యం కళను వలచావు కళను గెలిచావు కడలికెదురీది కథగా నిలిచావు భాష ఏదైనా ఎదిగి ఒదిగావు చరిత పుటలోన వెలుగు పొదిగావు పెను శిఖరాగ్రమై గగనాలపై నిలిపావుగా అడుగు నీ ముఖ చిత్రమై నలు చెరగుల తల ఎత్తినది మన తెలుగు
వినబడేట్టు కాదురా కనబడేట్టు కొట్టండి. రంగా రంగా
రంగస్థలాన రంగు పూసుకోకున్నా ఎస వేసుకోకున్నా ఆట బొమ్మలహు అంట మనమంతా తోలు బొమ్మలహు అంట డుంగురు 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 డుముకో డుంగురు 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 డుముకో డుంగురు 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 అయ్యా
ఆ రోజులు మళ్ళీ రావు ఈ రోజుల్లా కానే కావు అంతేలేని ఆనందాలు వెంటే వస్తే అంటే చాలు ఆ రోజులు మళ్ళీ రావు ఈ రోజుల్లా కానే కావు అంతేలేని ఆనందాలు వెంటే వస్తే అంటే చాలు హ్యాపీ డేస్ 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 హ్యాపీ డేస్
Zora Jabi, Zora Jabi, Zora Jabi, Zora Jabi.
हुस्न की तेरे यारा दुनिया ये दीवानी है जो हुआ मुझे तुझसे इश्क वो रूहानी है ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी मैंने कोई कुछ साहसी कभी देखा ही नहीं ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी मैंने कोई कुछ साहसी कभी देखा ही नहीं
मुझको खींचे तेरा औरा जाना कैसा सगाला डोरा जोरा 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 जान
ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी मैंने कोई कुछ साहसी कभी देखा ही नहीं ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी ओ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी मैंने कोई कुछ साहसी कभी देखा ही नहीं
చల్ తమ్ముడు సౌండ్ పెట్టి గిప్ అని గుద్దుతే బేస్ గుమ్మని రావాలి
Good afternoon to one and all. Let us be thankful to God Almighty for His blessings on each one of us on this auspicious occasion. I thank Reverend Mother Principal Sudhir Kumar Reddy for giving me this opportunity to celebrate superannuation and silver jubilee to our beloved teachers. It is a great honor to felicitate Reverend Mother P.T. Joseph, Lord Reddy Sir, Sundari teacher, Parveen teacher for your extraordinary service, the love and concern towards the staff and students to raise the standard of the institution, not only in Nalgonda district but also in the Manportion family. Thank you, brother, sir, and teachers. It is a pleasant sight to see the previous principals and brothers who worked here and raised the standard of Alphonsus. Thank you, brothers. I thank your sisters who graced this occasion. My sincere thanks to all the elders, the parents, well-wishers of the superannuated staff and the jubilarians. I thank the teachers who prepared our children for today's grand ceremony with their eye feast dancing and singing. I thank Fine Arts Department for their impressive work with artistic and touching decoration, the music master, the choir with melodious singing, and the primary kids and high school students with latest entertainment dances. My sincere thanks to the teachers who took responsibility to plan the awards. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the students for their discipline and cooperation throughout the program. Finally, I extend my thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for making this program a grand success. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.